Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to change the music volume. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. The next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is press on this plus tab on the bottom of your screen like so. Let me just go ahead and do that now. And then, oh, hey, there I am. Hello. And you want to just press add a sound. So I'll just go ahead and add this sound like so. And then when I click on that, you can press the edit section. Unless they changed exactly where. So let me go ahead and make the video first. I think that's what it is. You got to make the video first, of course, and then press check. And then now when you click on the top, you can click on sound and volume, and you can go to the volume section and adjust the audio from the sound to the original video to make sure the music isn't that loud. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.